Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am gonna be applying pore strips all over my face. We usually do it for our nose or chin if we have whiteheads and blackheads over there, but in today's video I am gonna be experimenting to see if we have blackheads on other part of our face as well. So I have certain pore strips here. I'm gonna applying them all over my face and show you the results at the end. Also, if you're someone who isn't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean everything to me, and we are quickly gonna be diving into the video now. For the first step, I have cleaned my skin thoroughly. I have washed my face and my hands as well, and I have taken some hot water, and with the help of towel I'm gonna dab it on my face so that it can open up the pores, and the process of extraction of whiteheads and blackheads can become really easy. So guys, I pasted the strips all over my face and I waited for 10 minutes. Can you see that it has even removed the facial hair, and this one is of my chin, and the other ones are pretty clearer and cleaner. But if you look at the nose, guys, can you see how many whiteheads it has taken out? I'm really shocked, but the other ones are pretty clean except for the fact that there are little hair on every one. And I will show you the one I placed on my forehead, and there were little whiteheads as well. I guess it was this one and this one, and there was little whiteheads on my forehead as well. So I'm pretty happy the way it has worked out. I'm done applying the mask. Make sure the last tip which I'm going to give you is whenever you apply something which open up your pores, apply something which helps in closing them back quickly. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find the video helpful. If you want me to do more videos as such, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do them for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel now. Hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And in the comments down below, I'm gonna give you the link to my social media, and you can follow me there and show me some love there. I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.